Hello, class. This is podcast 5 on W.E.B. Du Bois' Souls of Black Folk. Okay, so the assignment is to read most of the text, the forethought, and then chapters 1 through 6, and then chapters 10 through 14, and then the afterthoughts. So let's look at the workshop that's been set up. So in the workshop area here, we see that we have the annotated reading, which we'll take a look at in a second, and then this schematic, which is breaking down the text for us. So 4 columns: discourses, problems, questions, and categories. So, what are the problems that we want to look at using this text? Then I've given you a textual breakdown of the first 4 chapters, okay? And then quotations, so really just the one quotation there, and then seminar questions or prompts, and then what could lead to exam questions, problematizations, and experiments. Okay, so looking here on the left-hand side, conceptual metaphors. So this, we want to look at the idea of the veil and the double consciousness, the 2 key metaphors that he introduces early in the text and then continues to apply throughout the text, not necessarily speaks to them too much. So he throws them out there as sort of operative, structural, and metaphorical ideas, and then it's up to us to see how he applies it. So, and then the questions we want to ask are, why is he applying this? Why is he using, or why does he compose these conceptual metaphors? Much like we saw Darwin do with natural selection and struggle for existence. Why does he come up with these conceptual metaphors? What is needed? What's lacking in the discourse of the time, or also in our own time, our own conversations, that requires the use of these metaphors to make an argument? Why not just use straight history or straight analysis in order to make his point? So he uses these metaphors as a way to intervene into our racialized American culture, and also the racist ideologies which are contained within that racialized American culture. So a racialized culture is a culture where you have to deal with the idea of race whether you want to or not. It has been imposed upon the culture as a discursive mechanism.